Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device, update EMUI and connect to Wi-Fi so services install reliably. Once done, charge to at least 50% and confirm you know your Google email and password. Next, download a reputable installer app like Google Fire. This acts as the bridge that installs Play services on Huawei phones. Make sure app permissions allow installations from the source you used. Otherwise, the process will stop. This gets you into the actionable setup immediately, without wasted steps. You run the installer and follow the exact APK sequence it prescribes. Order matters because dependencies need to chain correctly. While installing, grant all permissions and enable unknown sources temporarily so the APKs can install. If a step fails, retry the last APK before proceeding. Once the installer asks, reboot the phone to finalize framework registration so Play services runs properly. After reboot, check settings, right arrow apps to confirm Google Play services and framework are present. You finish by opening Play Store and signing in with your Google account. This activates sync and app access. If sign-in fails, clear cache and data for Google Play services, Google Services Framework, and Play Store, then reboot and try again. Only reinstall the specific APK that errors. Make sure mobile data plus Wi-Fi are enabled during sign-in to avoid token timeouts. If you still hit issues, repeat the installer sequence. The installer logs usually show which component failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.